Okay. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Lizette, and today I am going to do a little bit of an experiment. I have with me my husband, who is going to be my loved one that I'm going to be helping this afternoon, and behind the camera is my beautiful daughter Estelle, who is helping me take the videos since I can't do both things at the same time. So I had a wonderful conversation this morning with a beautiful young lady in South Africa, and in talking with her, I realized that we are so blessed in the United States that we have so many additional resources and so many additional things available to us and support. And so I wanted to take some time this afternoon to just go over a few quick techniques and tips for people who are actually taking care of somebody who may be bedridden or who may be needing total care at home. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you a piece of equipment that is actually pretty awesome. Okay, it's parachute material, and it's in a tube, and you can use this as a patient mover. So when you want to roll somebody side to side, you put it on the bed underneath their bottom so that it goes side to side. If you want to actually move them up the head of the bed or to the, up and down, you put it in this way. So I thought I would just demonstrate this real quick. My husband has no idea what I'm going to do with him, so he is actually just literally along for the ride. So what you want to do with this is you want to put it between a draw sheet and the top sheet, or the sheet in the bed. You don't want to actually have that on your loved one's on your loved one's skin. So most of us have sheets, so I'm going to put a sheet between him and the bed, and I'm going to give you some ideas of how to roll somebody who's not helping you wanting to roll. And then we'll talk about some positioning things. So the first thing you want to make sure is you keep your back straight, so stick your butt out. Okay, don't bend at the waist, you'll hurt your back. So I'm going to move my husband's legs and make him bend. Knees like that, and then I'm going to have him, I'm just going to roll him. Okay? It's always harder when you don't have a hospital bed because you can't get to both sides of the bed. But it is doable. It's not easy, but it is certainly doable. I'm going to put the draw sheet in between him and the bed, and then I'm actually going to tuck, and you can actually put this in without that. If you had the draw sheet on, I'm just going to tuck that under him. Okay? So same thing, I'm just going to make sure I keep my back straight. Bring him over. Now I parked myself on the side of the bed to make sure that he won't roll off. So just pull him over. All right. So if you have somebody who you have to move, and you get that draw sheet underneath them, and I want to move him to this side of the bed a little bit more, I just tug. And then I can just move his legs. And then move his uppers. Whoopsie. He's in the middle of the bed. So if I need to reposition him, I can always get on the bed. Hospital beds make it a lot easier, but not everybody has a hospital bed. And now I can use this sheet to help roll him onto his side. If I want to unweight him, I just tuck a pillow under his bottom over here. Okay? This pillow's too thick. And then you just kind of keep him off of his weight. Okay. So the second thing I'm going to do, and he has no idea I'm going to do this, so, hopefully I can do this. So what we're going to do, I'm actually going to set him up on the edge of the bed. And my daughter's laughing at me. My husband's laughing at me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit him up on the edge of the bed, trying not to get hurt myself. Okay? We're going to roll onto your side. So get the person on their side. You want to get their legs off the edge of the bed. Get your good arm underneath them, and then just sit him up. Okay? So now he's sitting on this side of the bed. The reason I'm doing this is I'm actually going to flip him around because I want to show you how to pull somebody to the head of the bed using this slider. Okay, so now we're going to go down. I'm going to use just bring his legs up onto the bed and then just roll him. Now he's too far up that way. Can you need that? There we go. All right. So if you want to slide somebody up on the bed, that's why we're coming on this side. It's not going to work over there. I've had people move their beds away from the wall in order to do this. We're just going to slide this. I'm actually going to tuck this under without actually moving him at all. Or mostly. Bend your legs up. Roll this way. Going that way. Thank you, beautiful. Thank you. All right. So if you need to move somebody up on the bed, if you have this patient slider, all you have to do, and now I don't have my drawer sheet. That's okay. We can fix that. He's being a very good patient. He's not helping me at all. Is then just take your drawer sheet and then tug and move the person up the bed. There we go. So, thank you. This is a piece of equipment. If you do not have, I would strongly encourage you to think about getting one. It's called a patient slider. It is literally just a tube of parachute material. If you don't have that, I've used a trash bag, very thick plastic, not the thin side, or any type of sheet that has satin can also work. So how about you guys give this a try and give me some feedback and let me know what you think. So yet again, I just wanted to show a couple of other techniques that might not be available everywhere else. If you have any questions, please reach out and please give me comments and let me know what you think. Thank you.